Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. It is an absolute bloodbath in the entire markets, both in the crypto and stock market. We have just in over $2.9 trillion wiped out from major indices and stocks this morning due to growing fears of a global recession. And this is the worst day for stocks since March 16 of 2020 during the C-19 pandemic fears. So could we see a massive crash happening to the markets, the bubble finally popping, stocks and cryptos crashing 50+%? Now, as we said, we will see a black swan event happening anytime from 2024 to 2026. But please keep in mind, even with this happening, we're still in an overall crypto and stock market bull run. And we will see in the long term, cryptos and stocks both moving up. And the bubble will officially pop sometime during 2026 as set by the XRP Insider. So guys, the timeline is very simple. Markets move up, but we could see a mini black swan event crashing the markets temporarily, just like what we saw back with C19 back in 2020. We saw a mega crash happening for a month, but after that, guys, nice recovery and the stock market and cryptos just popping up like no tomorrow. So we could see a repeat of 2020 happening again. Definitely keep that in mind and definitely prepare. And this is the time to buy even more stocks and cryptos when we see a massive correction happening in the markets. Now, we also have complete chaos happening in Japan as stocks plummeted more than 6%, the largest decline since June 24th of 2016. We have 666. June is the 6th month. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9. 9 is also 6. We have 666, and they have experienced 2 circuit breakers during the session as well. And as foretold by Mr. Poole, it all starts in Japan. So once we see Japan crashing, which could be happening right now based on the current movements, we will see a domino effect, Japan crashing all of the other markets. And this includes the yen, USDT, Bitcoin, and all of the currency. We have Japan knocking down all of the dominoes. Once Japan crashes, everything crashes with it. More tweets from Mr. Poole about Japan back in 6/16/20 and 12/16/20 as well. We had Japan Revelation 9/12/22. All of the tweets from the XRP insiders are all coming into fruition. A massive crash is brewing in Japan. We have the ABC structure after the blow off top for the markets. We saw the markets crashing and the exact same thing is happening. We have a blow off top happening again and the completion of the ABC structure. And next up from B to C, the markets crash. This is going to be really bad. We'll now get a lesson in that money printing does not create wealth. Eventually, money printing will fail every time. We have $35 trillion in debt. There's no way in paying that back. And so eventually, with this amount of debt, the markets will collapse. The entire economy will collapse, leading to hyperinflation and a useless currency, causing the markets to collapse as well. Guys, the markets are on a literal time bomb. And once the time is up, the markets will explode. Guys, keep your eyes open on Japan. And at the same time, we have breaking. U.S. government sells 10,000 Bitcoin worth $650 million. This is why the crypto market is also moving down as well. Massive selling pressure from the U.S. government. And we also had the assassination of the Hamas leader. And we could see potential strikes and a world war breaking out with Israel and Iran. So that is also causing the markets to go down. Taking a look at the charts, again, it is an absolute bloodbath in the crypto market. Bitcoin now trading at $61,600, down 5.5%. Solana down 9%, trading at 151. Ethereum at 29.81, and XRP down 5.4%, now trading at 56 cents. So the markets are looking very bearish, and with a crossover of the MACD and the break below the 3 lines, we will see the price of XRP moving down, and the same thing applies to the rest of the market as we have all of the cryptos, Bitcoin, Solana, ETH, below the 3 lines, and the MACD crossing and turning red as well. So based on the indicators, guys, short-term bearishness in the markets, we could see Bitcoin going back down to the $56,000 mark, and we could see for XRP going back down to the 50 cent mark. Based from Crypto Insight UK, we have the XRP updated wave count. And with that, we had the targeted zone of 50 cents. So I believe that we could see XRP hitting this next and XRP just moving down in the short term. But overall, guys, again, this is important to know. I am bullish in the crypto market, and as said by Anonymous, accurately predicting the Bitcoin prices for every single year starting in 2018. We have Anonymous calling for a $103,000 Bitcoin by September. So from here on out, we should see the crypto market pumping up. Bitcoin crypto is making a new all-time high. And then after that, we should see the Black Swan event, the crash happening sometime from November to December, as said by the XRP insiders. So let me repeat, pump until September, then around October to December, we see the Black Swan event, the market crashing. Then after the crash, we see the markets pumping up like no tomorrow up until 2026. Then in 2026, the bubble officially pops, causing a crash bigger than the 1929 Great Depression, the everything crash happening. And we have Judy Shelton, the economist, to Donald Trump on Fox Business. Soaring jobless claims seen keeping Fed on course to cut in September. So with Judy Shelton calling for rate cuts by the Feds in September, this confirms the $100,000 Bitcoin price by Anonymous, as rate cuts are very, very bullish for the market. So guys, folks, we are still in the crypto bull run. The crypto bull run is still on the menu. A Bitcoin all-time high is coming next month, which means that we will see new all-time highs coming in for other cryptocurrencies, possibly XRP as well. And lastly, breaking, Solana is dying after FTX whistleblower shows that they still hold 8% in secret wallets. This is $6 billion in sell pressure. This is bad. Just like any other cryptocurrency, Solana is one massive professional Ponzi scheme. Just like FTX, just like Luna, LUNC, Solana will collapse and go to zero. And this will happen to Ethereum and 99% of the cryptocurrencies as well. So a lot of cryptos aren't safe, but only a few handful. And those are digital assets such as XRP and ISO tokens. And just keep in mind that Solana is one big Ponzi scheme orchestrated by the 1%. Ethereum and Bitcoin are the same as well. Be very careful with these cryptocurrencies. XRP, precious metals, ISO tokens are the only safe assets, in my opinion, especially during a Black Swan event and with hyperinflation on the way. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.